Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add reviews on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open Shopify App Store. So type shopify.com/apps and search here product reviews. And here you'll find this app, product reviews. Click on it and click on add app, and now choose an account and now select a store and click on install app. Okay, the app has been successfully installed, and now click on online store and click on customize and select the page where you want to add the review and scroll down and click on add section. And here you'll find this review app, so select star rating, and here you can see the review has been added. Then click on save. So this was how we can add reviews on Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.